Hi friends, I am Joel John, YouTube blogger. This video is about the YouTube taxation on YouTubers by the US government. Before explaining this, make sure that if you are not a YouTuber, you share it on in your Facebook post, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all those social media posts, so that some YouTuber will get benefited out of this, because this is about paying tax for the full earnings on YouTube or paying only for the US earnings. So all the people who are outside US, they are going to get much benefited on this, because they are going to put a heavy tax of about 24% on the US views or US related, any US related income through YouTube which we earn. It will be subjected to 24% taxation until we live in a country which has a treaty with the US on taxation. Being an Indian, I have got the privilege of falling on a slab of 0 to 15% based on the source of income. I will make more detailed videos on this in future. So this is a video I am making in a hurry to notify all of you how to save the tax. So press the subscribe icon, press the bell symbol, and enable all notifications, so that you will get the future detailed video about saving tax on YouTube earnings. So what you have to do is, you will have a Google AdSense link to this. On that you have the payment tab. On that you have the setting where you have to go and update your US tax information. If you click on that, it will ask for updation of various details, mainly like selecting your country, and then all are on drop down. It's well explained. So if you start doing it, you will easily do that. Only one confusion I heard earlier was, it asks for a TIN number, without which you won't be able to proceed. Accidentally I saw on another video that for Indians, TIN number is the PAN number, permanent account number, which you have. Most of them, without that you cannot even create a bank account in India. You have to add the form 60 option. I don't know still it's continuing or not. So like that, PAN is a very mandatory number which almost all the Indians who have a bank account will have. So update those details, and if you once you fill in the form and submit, it will after that, if you come to the Google AdSense, on the US tax information field, you will have the details filled in. Many of you wouldn't have filled in, because you may think that only if you fill in you will get taxed. No, that's very incorrect. If you don't fill in, you will get 24% tax. If you fill in, based your 24% tax for your total income from YouTube. But if you fill in only for the income you get from US viewers or US people, you will be taxed at a rate which is even on that. For Indians, it's a subsidized rate from 0% to 15%, based on the source of YouTube income. You have the privilege. Like that, many countries have treaty with the United States of America. So as we are living, or our business is being done done from a location which is outside US, we are getting all these privileges. So please share this video in your YouTube post, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere, so that some YouTuber like me, who doesn't know about the taxation, or who would have seen the TIN number and got back, and would have went to several people and asked, what's TIN number, what I have to update. Nobody says, I don't know. So all this I don't know, let this video be a solution. So please share it to as many people as possible, and give a thumbs up to me as a token of appreciation, and share your valuable comments. If you have some other questions related to YouTube also, please comment on the comment box below. I will try to answer. If I am unable to answer, somebody else who randomly sees this comment in future, views the video like this, you also can click on the comments and see what are all the comments there. If you can know any answers, you can type that. You could also gain some answers from the questions which are asked there. Okay, recently I put a video about all pass in BE tax. On that, the recommendation I gave was to go through the question bank with the answers, or the sample question bank with the answers prepared for BE students. So like that, this is serving as an question bank. So look at that question bank as well. Also type your question. If you don't have a question, just type a comment to encourage others, and you can give a thumbs up for the comments. That will encourage many people to type more comments. So in the society, we have to be very communicative, so that the knowledge flows from one person to another. But please avoid bad comments, and it's against YouTube policies. Stay tuned to my channel, and the YouTube tutorial video will be on the end screen. Watch all the videos there, save that link, and on that I will update all the YouTube related English videos which I post. Soon we will come up one for Tamil as well, as I am a Tamilian. And for more videos are coming on this same tax saving topic itself, for YouTube bloggers. So stay tuned to my channel. It's time to say bye. It's your Joel John J signing off from you. Bye.